2, 3.
Start na, start. No. No good. No good again. Rebound by 2 points by Ivan Magday. Ivan 2-0. To Carlo, to Chi, no good rebound by Carlo. To Chi again, 2 points. Chi tabla, all 2. All 2. 9 minutes and 35 seconds. To number 4, to Ivan. No good, rebound by Chi. 9 minutes and 19. Chi. To Miel. To Mets, 2 points. Christian Mets, 4-2. In favor of Team B.
Mets, yung mga.
Jesse to Jerome. Jerome is Jerome to number 4, taking 3. No good.
Kailan na ba yung Damiel?
8 minutes and 43. All 2. All 4. All 4.
Puting na may dilaw yung logo. Levi na lang. Okay, 5. Parang ka na dyan, naka-video na eh.
All 4. 8 minutes and 28. To Carlo, 15 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Bien Delpite. 6-4. 8 minutes and 9. 2 points by number 4. All 6. Yet again, no good in ball by Jerome. 7 minutes and 55. Ivan. Super shot, 2 points. Ivan Magday. 8-6 in favor of Team A. 7 minutes and 43. 6 seconds to shoot. Tablang. No out. Basket sana. 8-6 in favor of Team A. Carlo. To Chi. Chi. Wow! What a power move by Tablang. 7 minutes and 19 seconds to shoot. Mets, no good. 3-5. Mets again. Mets. 6 seconds lead. Blocked by foul. Foul by Levi, Mr. MVP. The last run. 6 minutes and 53. Yes, no good, rebound by Tablang again. Rebound by Ivan. 6 minutes and 42. Number 4. Number 4. 15 seconds to shoot. Ivan, no good, rebound by Kobe. Rebound by Kobe. Good ball. 6 minutes and 20. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Only as in 6, lamang Team A in 6, 2-point lead. To Miel. To Carlo. Jumper, no good, rebound by Levi. To Ivan. 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Jerome. Interception by Kobe. What a defense by Kobe. 2. Tablang again lumipad. 2 points. G Tablang. All 8. 5-8. Number 4. Out of bounds. Bola pa rin ang teammate. All 8. All 8.
Tsaka tayo pa sinumedya.
5 minutes and 20.
Ayaw na ako saglit. Bilang ako saglit. O, signing ha.
5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Last possession before change. Last possession before change. Good ball. Carlo. To Tablang. Steal by Jerome. Nanood ako na lang yan. Nanood ako yan. Tapas to Ivan. Ivan defending by Gobi. Gobi pang move. Not good. Rebound by number 4. Number 4 also. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. 16 seconds to shoot. Ivan. 2-0. Change score na po. Change score na po. 10-8. Lamang ang teammate ng dalawa.
Si Jerome may tinabi. Ayan yung ano na extend.
2. Carlo Isil by Ivan. Ivan na makadali. Ivan, bata ka ma! 2 points! Ivan, Mangray. Well, wait. 4 minutes exactly on the clock. Again. Rapas to Mets. Ball under the good. Rebound by number 4. Isil by Mets. 2. Bossing Zan to G. 15 seconds jumper, no good. Rebound by Levy. May import ka lang, may import ka palang kasama. May import?
Wala pasok eh.
Wala ba? No good, rebound by. To Mets, layup, 2 points. Christian Mets, 12-10. Ivan, binalabas to Levy, 2 points. Levy, Lingüete. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 14-10. 14-10. 3 minutes and 5. Gobi taking 3, no good. 3-5. Levy, pinapanay ni Gobi. Gobi, pantay ko. Gobi pinapanay ni si Levy. Number 4. 10 seconds to shoot, yellow for 3, no good. Rebound by Justin. Naglolo daw, hindi nakashoot. Sabi na kuya niya. 2 minutes and 37 to Mets. Mets, crossover move. Mets lumipad. No good. Rebound by Justin. To kuya. Kuya Ivan, crossover move. Kick ball, violation. Good ball. Good ball. Good ball. Good. 14-10. 4-point lead by teammates. Step back 3. No good. Rebound by Kobe. To Carlo. Kobe. All alone taking 3. No good pa rin. Rebound by number 4. Last 2 minutes. Atin sa inyo lang. Overfield. Jerome. Nanood ako na lang yan. Nanood ako dyan. Foul by jersey number 2. 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining on the clock. Steal. Well, nakakuha pa rin ni Jerome para sa iyo. 2 points. 16-10. 2 points. Yeah, they're repeating. 2 points! Ivan Magday! Kuha sa video. 1 minute and 22 seconds. Tablang lumipad, 2 points!
Sino to yung boss?
Si Good ball, ganda, good! Basket. 18-14. 4-point lead pa rin alamang ng Team A. 4-point lead pa rin. Team A pa rin alamang Team A. 18-14. Apat. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ivan. 15 seconds to shoot. Ivan, short jumper. No good. Rebound by Ivan pa rin. Rebound by G. Pinadala kay Portillo sa ilalim. 2 points. Yes, Derek Pite. 48 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 18-16. Lapas ng Levy. 2. Justin delivery. No good. Rebound by Kobe. Foul by jersey number 18-16. Lamang ang Team A ng dalawa. 14 second shot clock. 12 second shot clock. To number 4. 10 second shot clock. No good. Rebound by. Sino ang nakuha? Arbao. Bola ng by Allah. Shout out guys. Bakit?
28.
27 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 18-16. Labang pa rin kayo ng dalawa. 18-16. 1 second shot clock. Jerome. Trapas ulit. Ito Jerome ang napasa. Wala pa rin. Rima ball. Number 17. Marno. 18 seconds. Wala na shot clock. 18 seconds. Spin around. No good. Rima by Ivan. 10 seconds. Wala shot clock. 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points. 3 seconds. 2. 1. Ang dalawa na